Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. I'm coming at you Philip Lee style here today. I'm at Morgan Station Road crossing. I'm currently pulled over off of the side of the bridge here, and hopefully this train will be here any moment. The signals are green, and should be very close. When it does get close, if possible, I'm going to scoot my vehicle forward a little bit so I can get a better shot, and I won't turn on the brights until after the lead locomotive passes because we do not want to blind this crew. I believe 3037 is leading this coal train. There's 5 locomotives and 200 cars with an SD70MAC rebuild 4547 as the last mid-DPU locomotive. So this will be a very interesting catch, and I hope you enjoy Philip Lee here in a dark vehicle. You can hear it in Woodbine now, so gonna get prepared, everyone. Okay guys, it just honked at the tunnel a second before I started filming. I moved a little bit farther forward. Crossing should be going off any second. $30.37, $32.69, $8.85. Coal. Should be 200 loads. Likely 100 loads before we see the mid-DPUs. Mid-DPU, 3005, 4547, D70MAC. That's a rebuild. Seen that one before. Huh? Normally I don't like to catch night trains at Morgan just because the lighting is awful. However, the only time it's acceptable is if I'm in a vehicle. So hopefully this turns out well for you all. goes, guys, here at Morgan Road Crossing in Woodbine, Maryland. That was CSX N792. Beautiful day, everyone. September 19th, 7:56 p.m.